So that's free charging Typhoon U1. Free charging here in Baguio City Hall. There's also free coffee. So thank you our Baguio City officials for doing this. The wind and still this is still the situation here in Baguio City for Typhoon U1. It's out of Philippine area of responsibility, but they said it's gonna come back by Wednesday. So still it's very windy and there's a little bit of rain, and most have no electricity yet. So take care, everyone. It's time to go. I just did a little bit of charging for my cell phone. It's time to go to the palengke. So I think we have the most beautiful barangay, most beautiful city hall here in the Philippines, Baguio City. Look at this. Oh, this plant. So, take care, everyone. More blessings to all of us.